When you become a content creator, you probably aren't even thinking about how much time you're going to be spending with yourself. And with yourself, I mean, you're going to be hearing your own voice, you're going to be seeing your own face, and you're probably thinking, I spend all day, every day with myself. But let me tell you, it is completely different when you're filming yourself and you're looking at it back and you're hearing your own voice, you're seeing your own face. It hits different. A lot of people, after they start hearing themselves back, they can't believe how they sound. And they'll usually tell their friends or their family like, oh my God, I sound like that, or that's what I sound like? I don't sound like that. I don't know why I sound like that on camera. But that's how you sound. You don't realize it. And then as far as your appearance, you're gonna be seeing them angles, okay? And not all angles are good angles. Listen, if you're a girl especially, you know you got your favorite angle, okay? You're usually in every photo like the same way. Like I know me and my girlfriends, we're always like fighting for like who gets to be on the left side because like the left side's our good side. But you can't always just be on the left side when you're on camera and you're filming. I mean, you could try, but eventually you're gonna move your face and people are gonna see you. But the funny thing is, you're not realizing people see you all day long, but you're not seeing you all day long. So in your brain, I guess you just think people are seeing you from just that left side and that you're looking pretty good all day. When in reality, you know, nobody looks good from like this angle. So when you first start out content creating, just like then, I stumble over my words all the time, and you know what? That's life, and that happens to me all the time in real time. So I'm not gonna edit it all out. Sometimes if I can, I will a little bit if it was terrible, but I'm not going to because I'm on here just being me and being real, okay? But a lot of people are going to start filming and they're gonna like constantly need to redo the footage and refilm it. And then when they're editing, they're like, no, I need to redo that. I didn't look very good, or I sounded funny. And then they just keep wasting their time and not posting and never getting anywhere. Or even worse, you might find yourself being like, you know what? I can't do this. Like I'm ugly. I didn't realize I was ugly, and apparently I am. And I sound terrible when I talk. I probably shouldn't even talk to humans anymore because it's embarrassing. But it's not the case, okay? Like people are in your life, your real life, and they actually like you. They love you. They're used to your voice. They're used to your face. They're used to your angles. You have to get used to you. And along my journey, I've realized this because I was kind of going through those things as well because I'm a human. But I actually think it's a good thing because I think when you start filming yourself and spending this much time with yourself, you truly start to learn yourself. Like you become so comfortable with yourself and your voice, and eventually you might even actually find yourself being like proud of yourself because you see improvement. Because, you know, if there is something you notice, like for instance, me, I am horrible about pronunciation. I don't know why I'm like that. Maybe I need speech therapy. But now that I've been filming, I have been more mindful of trying to, you know, pronunciate my words. See, I just did it again. I'm not going to edit that part out because it happens all the time to me. And it's normal, and all you can do is actually work on yourself and improve. So I think it is a good thing because you're going to learn yourself more in depth than you've ever learned yourself before. And by doing that, you're actually going to find that you're becoming more comfortable being you, and you're becoming more comfortable in your own skin. And this is a beautiful thing because you will find that as time goes on and you develop your skills, that your presence is so much better, not only on camera, but probably in life. For instance, when you start filming, if you're nervous and you watch it back, you're gonna actually see your nervousness, like you're gonna see your energy and feel it just by watching it back. And then it makes you think, wow, I need to readjust my energy. And so it's almost like you can feel it and then you see it back and then you are self-correcting, which is super awesome because you can utilize that skill in real life. So if you're wanting to be a content creator and you can push through those beginning videos and that beginner time period where you're learning yourself and all your quirks and the way you look and the way you sound, and you can push through that, you will become a more confident human and individual. And that's the most sexy, attractive characteristic a human being can have, is confidence. And it will show. It will show in your videos, it will show in life, and you'll just be more organic and more people will be able to relate to you and to connect to you. So keep pushing through, keep learning yourself. I know you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it.